Hey mates, welcome to Tech Solutions. Do you want to install Debian on WSL2 on Windows 10? WSL is Windows Subsystem for Linux, which can enable you to run Linux distributions right on your Windows 10 PC without any virtual machine or separate hardware. In order to move ahead, you must have enabled WSL2 on your Windows 10 PC. You can enable WSL2 on your Windows 10 by following the steps in the video showing in the video card on your screen. We have already enabled WSL2 on our Windows 10 PC. Let's install Debian on WSL2. Open Windows PowerShell using administrator rights. You can list the available Linux distros using the shown on-screen command. You must be seeing a number of Linux distributions which can be installed on WSL2. For this tutorial we are interested in Debian. Let's install it. Install Debian with the shown on-screen command. This may take a while to download and install Debian. Please have patience during this and do not exit or close Windows PowerShell. It's done. Debian will automatically start once installation is done. Choose a username and password for your Debian. All done. Debian is running right on your Windows 10 PC with WSL. You can also run apt update on your Debian. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching. Good day.